Stocks pa mark ako.
Ay, wait,
Mark up.
sorry bro,
Mount
bro.
up. Sige lang bro. Sige lang bro. Mount up, mount up. Then get your gallops. We're going down. East, boys. Get your gallops, we're going southeast. Go southeast, southeast of the crowd. Going southeast, then northeast. We're going mid. Going mid. Wait.
Dito din sila.
Mid, okay. Now, this mount on top of me. On top. Uy, lag ako. Isang doubles kay kay Brian. We're gonna engage on Raven in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, engage on Raven now. Engage. Ito lang guys Uy, lag ako. Yun na pala yung lag check na. Engage yan. Nice. Okay, no walk.
Ending ha. Brawler ka pala. In-engage yan eh. Iniwan ng mga kasama eh.
Go Narcissus. Lagi open. Okay now, wait lang. Scout ako, look. Okay lang.
Tawa naman ako.
Let's go southwest.
Kawawa si
Southwest of the crowd. Wait, don't cut. Ang mag... Go southwest. Uy.
Dito sila northwest.
Bago lang ba yung lecture?
Let's walk northwest. Let's go now. Walk
Ngayon ko lang
northwest.
sila kita.
Mounted up sila rito sa
Walk
akin.
northwest. Walk northwest.
Dito sila.
Oh, okay, we're gonna catch. We're gonna look northwest. We're gonna catch northwest in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito lang. Itong tatlo. Okay. Now backwest. Full on DPS. Backwest. Ang naglalag ako. Backwest. Pa defensives now. Defensives. Fake. Get ready pa. Pull ako pa defensives. Sige pa, fake engage ako, Locks. Fake engage. Mag-engage yan. Uy, nice. Okay now, kiss and W's on side of them now. Push mga defensives ko. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna look east boys. I know, look south. We're gonna engage south in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 inside of us boys. Big. It's big.
Oh,
Nice one, boys.
Nice.
Now look, walk northeast. Pa-sustain tayo. Ito sila Copty, tsaka itong adobong sinigaw. Gago. Since when nagka-adobong sinigaw? Okay, kiss and W's on side of us. Okay, back southwest. Now look inside of us. Keep walking southwest. Look at chick. Never mind. Sige. Regroup tayo mid. Back mid boys. Back mid. Back na kayo. Pa-heals up in front.
Mga brawler.
Back mid.
Go back.
Sorry. Come southwest. Walk southwest. Walk southwest. Let's go mid. Mga malayo sa akin, mount up kayo. Keep walking. Hemi me. Okay, now. Papascout ulit ako, papilok.
Uy,
Huwag yung complete mo yan ko.
Gamit talaga kayo. Huwag nyo nang harutin dyan.
Hindi ba sila
Nakating
nakatita?
Ang ino kayo pagka nakap talaga yan.
Cam nandito sila.
Sige. Go northwest. Let's try to brawl the
Kung
shit.
pag ito naglag habang
Brawl northwest. Okay, boys, come with me. Hello, nasa northwest ako. May dalawa dito sa northwest. Hello.
Back to
Ang
the
layo nyo na sa crowd. Gago kayo.
Balik.
Malayo ba? Malayo pa sila, no?
Ito. Malapit na sila. Dito na din sila.
Sige. Hold ako ng isang defensive kami. Let's go southwest. Southwest ng konti, west ng konti. Okay, now look northeast. Uy, gago, they're engaging now, pa defensives now. Okay, keep rolling now, look northeast. We're inside of us, we're gonna engage inside of us in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, inside of us. It's big. Nice one. Now, Q's and W's inside of us. Q's and W's. Patap up sa mga healers ko. Now, push east. Ang dami nila sa east. Push east. Get ready for their offensive. They have 5 seconds on offensive. Push them inside of that small circle. No, that's nothing. Just keep pushing.
May ulti ako.
Keep pushing. We're gonna engage south of the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on these three boys. Okay. Oh, wala na yan. Uy, pa-heals, pa-top up. Nice one. Okay, pakisandabay dito kay Mojay mo. Kuya, Kim. Pakisandabay ako.
Okay, basahin mo ng maigi ang pangalan niya.
Pakisandabay ako dito sa mga nasa loob natin boys. Tatlo pa sila. Okay. Isa na lang. Ay, dalawa pa. Nice one. Last one kay Lex on the room. Huwag yung mag-overextend boys. May nakikita ko sa ating napakalayo sa akin.
Let's go.
Pag kayo nadali dyan, gagi.
Nice one, may healer ka.
Back northwest.
Hey.
Mamatay ako.
Parang gago, hindi ko alam kung may nagawa ba ako doon.
Kahit wala ka nang gawin eh. Tulog mo na nga iba.
Gago ngayon lang ako nakahawak
Baksa,
nito, legit.
Oh,
Hindi ko pa namamatay.
113 yung ginagawa.
Ano ulit ako?
Undecided sila pero nasa dito.
Yan na pala si Silas.
Southeast
Si
na sila,
Del.
pre, Southeast.
Come with me Northwest. Come with me Northwest. We're gonna try something new, something fun.
Ano ginagawa?
Let's go Northwest.
Sobi
Let's go
nila.
Northwest. Sige. Huwag niyo tong North Wall.
Sorry, napindot ko yung Judy.
Go North Wall. Hug niyo ng konti. Konti lang. Okay, wait lang. Nandun pa rin sila sa baba? Or somewhere else? No, they're rapping.
Pasok na sila.
Look east. We're gonna engage east in 5. Wait lang, defensives now. Defensives ako. We have Kamlan. What the heck? Okay. So look east. Pa-fake engage ako, Locks northeast. Pa-fake engage ng northeast. Sige. Sige. Wait lang, fake lang yan. Walang kumibo. Okay, now look inside of us. We're gonna engage inside of us. Look south. We're gonna engage inside of us. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me. Okay, now. Brawl. Padrap ako ng heals. Padrap ako ng Judy. I'm dropping Judy. Okay. Heals up, boys. Heals up. Hindi pala pwede yung ganun. Okay, Tucson Dolphins. Gagawin, dami nila. Get ready, defensives.
Engage ako, Seth.
Ready, defensives now. Okay, now. We have 8 seconds defensive. 8 seconds engage. Okay? Now, look southeast with the choke. We're gonna engage on the choke in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Big on the choke. Nice one, boys. Now push them back.
Lagpasan mo lahat.
Push them back. Back west. Nasaan si Tez? Okay, now. QCW is dito sa, natin. Get Tez on the room. Sa inside of us. QCW is right. They're gonna, wala lang yun. To be honest. Okay, no, QCW. Huwag kayo masyadong mag-overextend yung mga nandyan, Back kayo. Back to me, boys. Back to me. Defensives, hold this choke. They're engaging, pa defensives ako. Sabi na eh. Now look northeast. Wait. Inch up northeast, wala silang engage. We're gonna engage northeast in 5, 4. Wait, what the heck, nag-lag ako. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, on me now. On me. Big, it's 3, these 3. Wait lang. Okay, QCWs. Back south. Baba na kayo ng choke. Naglag ako, sorry. Southwest na. Run. Oo. Back na kayo dyan, Tez. Halikan kita, Tez. Papi Dayag. Back na kayo dyan. Southwest. Back southwest pa. Nadali si Sephiroth. Condiments.
Tulungan ko sila eh. Ako pa
Dalawa sila. Condiments. Kung una ko nakita, condiments study, abs, G, tsaka ano.
Sorry.
Mas cut ako, Tez. Elox nandyan na pala. Come mid.
Mounted na sila.
Sige.
Condiments.
Come to me.
Going southeast sila.
Ako lang.
Southeast. Ano bang pwede natin gawin ng maiba naman? Actually, let's try yung gustong gawin ni Lox kanina. Yung brawls tayo. Okay? Back southwest. Nasaan sila, Lox? Nandyan pa rin
Sila
sila.
sa akin, going down the stairs.
Na mounted or no?
Dismounted.
Dismounted.
Okay. Go west. We're gonna go open world. Mali tayo. May mali ako, dapat open world. Di ako sanay ng open world. Let's go northwest to the big stairs, boys. Big stairs.
Normal yung mga brawler nila, hindi nila binobrawl eh.
Big stairs. Okay, now hold this out.
Nag-hold
I
lang
want
sila dito sa
my
southeast.
defense. Southeast, holding lang sila. Saan southeast?
Down the stairs.
Down the stairs, okay, we walk southeast, boys. We walk southeast. Brawlers go in. Brawlers are engaging.
Pero fake engage.
Wala, fake yan. Okay, sige, isa pang engage na. May isa pang silang engage. Get ready, they're engaging now. Defensive, please. Nice, enigmatic. Okay, now we're gonna counter inside of us. It's 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inside of us, it's big. It's big, and I love it. It's big, like my... Oh, never mind. Keep rolling. Push them back now, but
May one and five.
push them back. Okay, nice engage, nice enigmatic, wala yan. Now, keep pushing. Get ready, up, hold on me a bit. Hold on me a bit. We're gonna, oh yeah. We're gonna engage on Alua in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ito kay Alu. Nice. Okay, now back southwest. Pa-top up Ketel. Pa-top up. Oy, look ko si Graham. Defend, kill Graham. Go west, boys. Nalulaw tayo na, di ka napansin. Let's go west. Let's go, keep walking west. Keep walking west.
Sabi sa'yo, Lox eh.
Okay, keep walking west.
Mali ito, there.
Sabi
You're
sa'yo,
little bit.
interrupt ng hataknan.
Ang cute to.
Okay, now go west a bit.
Kanya inis pa mo.
Come to me, west a bit.
MMA siya.
MMA.
Namali lang yung kami.
Go southwest.
Pre,
Go southwest kami, boys. Medyo malayo tayo.
Going
Ang layo
southeast
sa
ulit sila.
Southwest.
Going southeast.
Face daw.
Panas, there's mounting up sila.
Sige.
They're
Pag
going
nag-
northwest, they're going northwest.
Northwest kami. Okay. We're going northwest. Okay. Back east tayo.
Nandito sila, mounted up sila dito sa akin.
Yamada tayo, southeast. Sige, Yamada tayo. Go southeast, boys. Go southeast. Southeast on me. No one dismount Kalista. No one dismount Kalista. Okay, keep going southeast. Sige. Okay, boys. We're gonna engage north. In north. 4, 3, 2, 1. Up north. Okay, now defensive.
shit.
Get ready. Defensive. No. Defensive now. Nice one. Nice heals. Okay, now Christian W. Brawl inside of them now, boys. All. Keep brawling. Pa-help kay stand gun sa south. Yeah, may engage wala tayong engage eh. Sige, keep brawling inside of us, boys. Keep brawl. Walk north to the big stairs. Wala yan. Nice one. They're engaging now. Pasok now. Okay, now look on the big stairs. We're gonna engage on the big stairs in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 on me. It's big. We have big 80 DPS. Nice one. Now keep brawling inside of us. Kay Daddy Abs. May abs si Daddy Abs. Okay, now one more kill, boys. Isa pang kill. They done. Nice. GG.
GG.
Ayan yung
Ginawa ko.
Hindi marunong yung ano nila, SOB nila.